Welcome to Is Trezor Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Trezor products are included in the description below. Trezor is one of the most trusted names in cryptocurrency security, offering hardware wallets designed to protect your digital assets from online threats. Developed by Satoshi Labs, Trezor wallets store your private keys offline, making them immune to hacks targeting connected devices. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone serious about crypto security, from beginners to seasoned investors. Trezor offers two models, the entry-level Trezor 1 and the more advanced Trezor Model T. Both feature top-notch security, including PIN protection, passphrase support, and recovery seed generation. The Model T also includes a touchscreen for easier navigation and supports more advanced cryptocurrencies and features like Shamir Backup, which allows you to split your recovery seed into multiple shares for enhanced protection. The wallet integrates seamlessly with Trezor Suite, a desktop and web app that lets you manage your portfolio, send and receive funds, and interact with supported decentralized applications. Trezor supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies, ensuring compatibility with most digital assets. It's open source, meaning its code is transparent and has been rigorously audited by the community. When it comes to security, Trezor has a strong reputation. Its isolated environment prevents malware from accessing your private keys, and it doesn't use a secure element chip, prioritizing open-source verifiability over proprietary hardware. While this has sparked debate in the crypto community, it's important to note that Trezor has never had a critical vulnerability exploited in the wild. Trezor wallets are ideal for users looking for a simple, secure way to store their cryptocurrencies offline. The Trezor 1 is perfect for those on a budget, while the Model T caters to advanced users who need broader crypto support and extra features. In conclusion, Trezor wallets are among the safest options for securing your digital assets, blending ease of use with robust security. If you value transparency and offline protection, Trezor is a great choice. Check the links in the description to explore Trezor wallets and elevate your crypto security today.